Hey everyone, welcome back. If the NAB app keeps on crashing or freezing, begin by closing all the background apps running in your phone. Then, once you're done doing so, also close the NAB app completely, then wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. After that, restart your device and reopen the NAB app. This clears memory issues that can cause freezing. Then check for the pending app updates and systems. Go to the App Store, search for NAB mobile banking, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update your app. Then check your phone system as well. NAB may require the latest operating system to run smoothly. Now, if the problem continues, long press on the NAB app icon, then remove app and delete the app. After deleting the app, go to the App Store, search for NAB Mobile Banking, and reinstall your app from there. After reinstalling, log in again and then test the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.